Hey, you cool and caring parents! We are back with another video helping you with your endeavors in making your child the best. Today, we will talk about writing and how you can introduce it to your children. Writing, an inevitable part of communication. When we say writing, we do not mean typing words on a keyboard or profusely hitting buttons on a typewriter. We mean the writing. Before our children were hit by the storm of the digital age, every document, report, file, papers were written by hand and stored correctly to access. And no matter what anybody tells you, there is a certain essence in handwritten letters and notes. There is a grace in pen and feel in pencils and papers that no keyboard or print media can ever provide. But it's not just writing. It is the art of writing, which needs to be understood and appropriately grasped by your kids. So, here we are with some of the simple ways you can help your child in becoming good with letters, words, and yes, writing. 1. Start with their name. As simple and effective it is, you see. Being able to write their name will always be their first step towards writing. This makes them familiar with the spellings or sounds of their name and provides them with a sense of identity, which we suggest is highly imperative. Next, we suggest playing with letters. Kids often lose interest in fun activities quite efficiently. Well, that's because it isn't fun for them anymore. Of course, you would not want that to happen with your teaching my kids writing endeavors. The best way to prevent it is to keep bringing novelty to the writing hobby, like playing Scrabble, wordplay using magnetic letters, and so on. This not only breaks the monotonous routine of writing, but also opens a new door of entertainment while learning at the same time. Another one, use an alphabet book. There is an ample number of kids' books available in the market, which you can readily use to help your kid understand. Many schools provide such books to different age groups already. It can be considered one of the simplest and cheapest ways to make your children learn and adore writing. These books primarily focus on the handwriting of your child, and this itself is of great importance. Number 4 on our list is setting up a workstation. Every hobby needs space, and that's understandable. Having a workstation gives a routine and weightage to it. Whenever your children see it, it reminds them of their hobbies and importance. On number 5, ask your kids to help you in simple ways. Now, this is very crucial. This habit involves you and your work with your kids. Make them write the weekly shopping list or the monthly grocery list. Make them check on house bills. Guide them into writing formal letters and let them take an interest in your work as well. At times, you may feel that your kids are too small for that, but hey, they are learning. At last, on number 6, encourage the use of fingers. If you observe an early interest in your kids towards writing and language, and you don't want to wait for them to hold a pen or pencil, we suggest you start by indulging them in activities like rainbow painting or using tools like paint and salt trays. Creative freedom while growing up is essential also. Like we said in the earlier video, nothing beats an excellent handwritten letter or note. When you write on a computer, it's typing. It's not writing. When your kids write with a pen or pencil, it is a form of exercise they take part in. With all of this being said, we guess you're ready to teach them some cool writing. We hope you enjoyed our video and best of luck!